What exactly is a fall nitrogen blitz? Maybe you've heard of it, maybe you haven't. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about it and give you my thoughts. Let's go. What's up, y'all? My name is Devin, the DIY lawn coach. Thank you so much for checking out the video. So what exactly is a fall nitrogen blitz? Well, let me put it to you simply like this. In a cool season lawn, we can fall into two categories in the fall. We can either aerate and overseed, or we can do what's called a fall nitrogen blitz. Simply put, it's putting down a pre-emergent to stop poa annua in the spring, and then hammering the lawn with fertilizer throughout the rest of the fall going into winter. So the question becomes, who is a fall nitrogen blitz specifically geared towards? Well, if you have a lawn, a cool season lawn that was able to make it through the summer and you didn't experience a whole lot of damage, you didn't have fungus issues, or maybe you don't have areas in the lawn that need correction, you would be a perfect candidate for a fall nitrogen blitz. Because you're not putting down any grass seed, you don't have to worry about a pre-emergent going into fall. Plus, the way that your established turf is growing, the heavy amounts of nitrogen that you're going to use to push the lawn are going to be fantastic, and you're going to get great results. So how do we do it? Well, step one is we have to apply pre-emergent to the lawn and get it watered in before soil temperatures reach 70 degrees. With the key word being before. We have to have pre-emergent watered in to the soil prior to soil temperatures reaching 70 degrees. You can either use dithiopure or prodiamine. Either one will work great, but again, it has to be before soil temperatures reach 70. So why 70 degrees? Because that's the temperature at which poa annua begins to germinate, and we want to stop it before it germinates. Step two, I want you to go back to your soil test from the beginning of the year. And I want you to choose a fertilizer that is going to move your macronutrients in the correct direction. For example, if you saw on your soil test that you were already high on phosphorus, try choosing a fertilizer that doesn't contain any phosphorus. We want to be moving the lawn, moving the soil in the right direction, but we really want to be looking for a fertilizer with high nitrogen content. Pro tip, sharpen your mower blades because you're getting ready to start mowing a whole lot. Step three is I want you to apply 1 pound of nitrogen every 30 days until the lawn quits growing. As the weather turns cooler, look for fertilizers that contain urea nitrogen or quick release. We need those fertilizers to be quickly absorbed into the plant. There's no risk of burning the lawn because of the soil temperatures and the current air temperatures. So throw her down and hope for the best. It's also really important, because of all the nitrogen we're going to be throwing down, you've got to keep up with your mowing, and we got to make sure that the soil remains moist. Make sure you're getting at least 1 inch of water per week. It's really that simple. Your lawn is going to turn the deepest, darkest green you've ever seen in your life. It's going to begin to thicken up and look fantastic. This is exactly what I did in my personal lawn last year and got fantastic results. If you've got a question, leave me a comment down below. I'd love to answer it down there. And if you're new to the channel, leave me a comment and introduce yourself. We are all a community of lawn care enthusiasts that are just trying to have a nice looking lawn. No matter whether you're doing a fall nitrogen blitz or an overseed, I hope your projects are turning out well. My name is Devin. I'm the DIY lawn coach. Stay positive, stay patient. I'll see you in the lawn. Peace.